Hannah. She lives and works out in Colorado. She's also my older sister. Oh, and this is my younger sister. Her name's Bethany, but we all pretty much call her Beth at this point. And this is me. If there's anything I love more than the mountains, it might be documenting my experiences within them. And just like I've always done in the past, I want to share an adventure with you. Us sisters are pretty close in age, and we've gone through a lot together, so we're pretty much inseparable. Problem is, Beth and I are stuck in a long-distance sister relationship with Hannah. You see, Hannah can't live anywhere without mountains, and we respect that.
3, 2, 1.
We get it. We know the mountains are her healing place. Anyways, we all agreed that before I got married, we had to take a sister's backpacking trip out into mountain wilderness. Consider it a mini bachelorette party, except there's no phone service, 28 miles of hiking, and 8,000 feet of elevation gain. And so the planning and endless food prepping began. And then before we knew it, we were at the trailhead.
You good, Hannah?
Don't lean forward.
All right, this is the start. Woohoo!
I don't know why they would put it in the opposite direction of the trail.
And let the backpacking adventures begin.
It took a while to set in that we were actually doing this thing. We weren't planning it anymore, we were here. Now you'd think a backpacking documentary would talk a lot about food and the different meals we ate along the trail, but I have a whole separate video on that. Apart from food logistics, this is the story of our journey. On the first day of backpacking, your pack is the heaviest it will ever be, since you're carrying your entire food supply. We took this into account and had breaks often, but overall we kept slowly moving uphill.
We're about halfway through our hiking for today. We feel the altitude hitting us a little bit for sure. We just feel a little lightheaded, definitely out of breath. Like if you notice when I'm talking, I can't really say that much of a sentence before I gotta breathe again. It's just because there's no oxygen. This is so pretty. Love the pretty colors of the rocks. Hello. How you feeling?
Good.
We're going right there. And boy, are we feeling the altitude. But you know what? We are all smiles. All of us are fine with talking about like, oh, this part of the hike is hard. But at the end of the day, like we're all happy we're out here. This area is a little bushwhacky, which can hurt your legs a little bit, but it's all good.
Our entire hike was littered with beautiful wildflowers, and I couldn't help but wish that I could have flowers like this at my wedding. But I'm convinced the only one that can grow flowers this beautiful is Mother Nature herself. Dang, she's a good gardener.
Slowly trekking upwards. We're trying to keep the pace reasonable because the altitude up here is nuts. And because this is just a slow grind uphill for a really long time. Just put one foot in front of the other until we get to the top. I have made it to the summit! Woo! Let's go find out where Bethany and Hannah are. There they are, they're making it. Very windy. Wow! Look at those beauties! Ah! Okay, I found this wall. That'll protect me a lot from the wind. It's pretty tall, so I'm just gonna chill here until they get up to the summit with me.
Once I got up and over the pass, I could see that there was some weather coming in.
Okay, I'm holding the camera because we are getting some wind gusts that are crazy. And they're picking up little pieces of sand and throwing them at me. You can't see them, but they're in the air. And I'm so glad I got my sunglasses on because that's really protecting my eyes. But I do not trust leaving my tripod here. I feel like the wind's gonna take it and this whole camera is just gonna fly away. Woo! I love this exposure. Freaking love it! It's your summit call! Whoa. A little tired, huh? Look over there. Look how ominous.
Oh, it does look ominous.
Woo! Welcome to the summit! Woo! Woo! Hannah, that was weak.
I have no oxygen.
How's that going, Hannah?
It's a bit windy.
You making the map? Bethany, come quick. There's a marmot really close. You're cute, dude.
My life is eating and basking in the sun in the mountains.
Feeling a pretty significant cold front coming through, we made an educated guess that we were probably going to get some weather, so we wasted no time getting our tents all set up.
Home sweet home for the night. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Our camp is perfection, and there's supposed to be a meteor shower tonight, so amidst all of this, we can look up here and watch meteors fall and shooting stars. You know, I have a feeling we're gonna sleep like babies tonight.
At the end of a long backpacking day, being at camp really just means that you're organizing all your gear from the day. Before we could relax for the evening, it was time to refuel our bodies, which meant that before it got dark, we needed to cook.
We're gonna have to put headlamps on soon, guys.
I know.
It's getting pretty dark.
When camping out in the mountains, you're in bear territory, which means you need to pack a bear can and store it away from your camp with all your food, including snacks.
To open up this bear can, just bring a coin, turn all of these guys quarter to the left, and we've got our bear-proof food.
Do you want to show them what's in our bear canister?
Oreos.
Oh, because we thought they were gonna get crushed. Is that tomorrow's food?
I think all of the notes you put on there came off. Yeah, day 2.
Okay. So we got all the days. Hannah packed this bear canister all the way up here. Hannah,
Hi.
bless your freaking soul.
It was heavy, but it was good.
It's getting pretty dark. It's gonna be so beautiful and quiet.
It seems like it's too early for it to be getting dark.
I think it's gonna.
We better wait for this storm to go through. Grab your stuff and your phone's over there. Stay dry.
Thankfully, this was one of those mountain storms that was gradual. It started out as just a drizzle of rain. We had time to put everything away and to get everything organized without feeling too frazzled.
We found holes in these walls. We like what we saw. Seemed so strong until it falls.
Yes, sir.
I'll leave one plate. Do you have another plate? No. But oh, Jessa does. Jess has 2. Yeah, I always bring an extra. Just in case.
Thanks, Jessa.
You're welcome. No, Jessa. What do you think of this, Hannah?
Nice.
That's really stable.
That'll work.
Okay.
Just leave it there.
That is perfection.
Right inside this tent, in the middle of a mountain storm, we realized we felt safer than we had in a really long time. Secluded away from people, tucked away in the mountains, it was easy to forget about a global pandemic. You know, there's still light spots to the sky. I think we're good.
That's the best part of your whole day
This
right
is the
now?
best part right here. I am feeling great. I'm already got it. Oh, sweet.
Rainbows, lollipops, and sunshine all the time in Sunnyvale. Wow, it's literally gorgeous out there now.
Getting cold. I am requiring you to put on tape. That's so much work. I'm about to get my sleeping bag. You're literally an ice cube. You're also standing right in front of the mountain again. Finally getting to get in the sleeping bag.
Whoa, Hannah! That is amazing. How small did that get?
It's 12 ounces. This is freaking luxury.
My camping pillow looks like this. It rolls up super, super small, and it's really, like, mushy, but it's, like, just enough to be comfortable.
If you fold it in half, it's, like, it's pretty sturdy. Like, it's better than a rolled up jacket or something.
True.
And I have the same one.
This is Bethany's pillow. It's the same one as mine, except a different design. We might bundle up and go out there and watch the stars. There's supposed to be a meteor shower, but we're all really cold, so we're thinking about just going to bed. And with that, the end of our first backpacking day has arrived. Hello. Thank you all for coming and joining in on day 1. Thank you to my supporters over on Patreon. You know who you are. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you, JFam.